Ka Joint Action Committee jong ka all riboy passengers vehicles ka bedai ka kinhun ni senrap lang jong kinong nya kali kamay na do ki sumo taxi pickup bat ki boss menta ka sengi ka shitarik nailar rengkat ki kali jong ki lektur sya office deputy commissioner jong ka riboy arpit padhaya ban pin kan mau yu halor ka jing pen slam ban sewi ki bai kali ba ka sarkar kala pendon kam ha ka por jong ka klam covid-19 ka duty election MLA bat kiwe ba ki department jong ka sarkar kimpat sew hadu menta kini ki driver kila ot bakani ki jingle jong ka sarkar kala bo yeki badi ki try kali ha ki jing e ka pakraw kumta kila dawa mardor baka sarkar kan siuno ikini ki bai wai kali ki bala sa ateng mentala bon benai bon sin ki driver bat ki try kali kila ot chau DC ban siuno akloy ka bai wai kali henry ula aidaw baka sarkar kampat pelat ye ka pisa beki dei ban yo ha ka jingle tur ki try bat ki nong nya kali kamai layasin drop lang da ke kenhon ki nong di dukan sha bat ja ka ba na kaliang ki nong di dukan sha bat jaru ki klempat yo e ka bai bam nadu ka por election MLA ka belajan kot syaka shisnem menta ha ka te ka jingle tur syaka office DC riboy kalami ka thmak tin ka bajur hapadeng ki nong lam jong ka kenhon ki nong nya kali ka kenhon ki nong di dukan sha bat ja bat deputy commissioner ka riboy ka belane adu ka tukan nipor habau DC ulami banya kren ula kular bahapo kakat sansngi un pelat lot ikapisa syaki driver kali kamai bat kinong syong dukan di syabat ja nakaliang ka kenhon jung driver ba kinong syong dukan kila hun ye kini kejing kular UDC kila berthen balada kata kejing kular jung UDC kam urlong kembau long kin sa shim ya karai ban penlong de kejing ki ki ba kham ting e
Apa arung
empat kali ulang kan cukup style adon lupa tak pada laban titi tak pin the fill permit kalau jak fine kalau jak
masuk tu
Kismi si mau cak.
Abang ini nak action ada file pakai.
Polis ini
ini nong yalam ini duk tiap tim main kesil pun di driver ini kamar beli cerman kali kali pertama ini iya yu tengi kumnong ini ai ka jumpa ke duty bat ka sakar mdai ba penderkam personal ini
Kam le kumni ba. Nya bela jom Ibril. Ni otak lah hajar ciu penai. Masih kat bom dia ya ka bai duty ngila sia on
penbet nyokot bot no
Dengar sebuah jajai mah.
Issue regarding our bill. Since this last time also we have submitted our letter memorandum to you. We have given you 7 days of time, but it's now more than 7 days, 3 weeks. But still now there is no response from your booth officer. So it's make us any problems. And then we want from you that you give us a clarification, the reason for delaying our bills. So from your side, we want a clear clarification in front of the media person, in front of all our members. So this is our demand.
The memorandum from your side, and we have had a meeting earlier also 2-3 times regarding this thing. And to all your members also, I would like to tell you that you have raised up this issue a lot of times, and every time I have told you that we will try to clear your payments and all. So I'll tell you, this issue has happened because see, the funds which we received, they were not sufficient enough, and we have asked for additional funds from the CEO office also. Like I have told you earlier also, it's a long drawn process. It will take some time because the file has to go to the finance for allocation, for budget and allotment will happen and funds will come. So just now also I had a discussion with CEO sir, and CEO sir has assured me that all those people who are there in the process of getting the additional funds, so they are taking it up very expeditiously, and I give you my assurance as per the discussion with the CEO sir that your payments will be cleared very soon, and like whoever is there in the all the stakeholders were there in the line of command, so they are all aware of the issue. There are several other districts also who are facing similar kind of issues, so the CEO office is taking it up. As and when we will receive the funds, the payments will be cleared expeditiously in the first moments.
So, sir, means suppose if it will take times to clear our bills, means we all the driver we won't pay our tax to the government. We won't renew. Can you make you can assure
And the
us
police are
regarding
catching
that?
her every day for the
Okay,
tax.
Okay, I'll try to take it up with this transport department. That
Because,
for reverse,
this,
this can be an exception can be
We
done.
wait for a few days, but if we are not getting our bill, money is also pending. We'll come and surrender all our vehicles and we'll keep here in your compound.
I'll try to take it up with the transport.
No, we won't accept, sir. You have to clarify to us
They won't
today,
make,
today
exact-
accept when. We won't accept that
Because
when
when-
you talk, when you'll have the meeting. We will not accept that.
That's why
If you tell me that this is the thing that can be done,
No,
because so many
all
people
the
are
districts, they
involved.
got the money. How we don't get?
And there are other districts also which are facing the similar issue.
Why
How
did
can
But regarding our other
there will
payments,
be a
COVID and
shortage
all,
of
that
fund
should be
to our
clear.
district? Why?
Why
other
for
district,
revive?
the government take the initiative to pass the bill in other district. Why they don't take the initiative to pass the bill in our Riboy
No,
district?
it's not like Riboy district is like that. The other issues, other districts are also facing the same issue.
No, they don't feel. They got the money.
Still,
Only
but
got
I
the
was
money.
there on
We won't
knowledge,
accept that. And they
Other
got-
issues,
Most of the district
are facing the
all
similar
receive
issue.
the bills.
The by-election rule are still there.
Like that.
Because as Madam said,
Whatever
by-election bill
Even for the
also
by-election,
they
which is
receive.
up-
By-election was held before election. That
No,
election,
after
that-
election,
yes,
it's so
yes.
young.
After
that's so
election, the
young.
by-election
And that is a
is up.
separate election. That for that.
Even
election is
then,
different.
election is election. Sir. Why separate election?
Because the central government has already sanctioned the funds.
We won't accept that.
That's
So
why,
we want
sir.
you to clarify today itself when you'll
No,
pay.
ma'am, I cannot give you any.
If you cannot, then we
I
can
can
wait.
just
We'll
give you
stay
an
here day and
assurance.
night then.
This is now only the drivers and the owners can. Now the
Till they're clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revoy? Why work for the revoy? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, then when we'll have, then we'll talk. We'll have to talk. Now we will talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
No, ma'am, I'm
No,
telling you
sir.
this thing.
No, we won't accept that, sir.
But
We
I
have.
cannot give you any timeline.
See, sir, this is. What is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house, for the family with this money, and you are doing us
and
like
our
we are.
livelihoods.
Ma'am, it's not as if I am not paying your bills.
So, sir,
No, sir.
as
We
know,
won't accept that. You'll say
the
that we'll have the
election
meeting. No,
bill
we won't
is
accept that,
already
sir.
sanctioned before the election only from the central government.
So, what we are trying to do is right now, like within 15 days, we will clear some of the payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible. Okay. So,
All the
tomorrow
payments, COVID-19 and then this election.
COVID-19 and Republic Day Independence Day will be done.
So you want that all the dues must
Those
be
will be
cleared.
done. Those will also be done 15 days. And election payments also partially we will try to do within 15 days only. It will be done. Remaining payment will be done as soon as possible.
Suppose if within 15 days, if you won't receive, then what is the assurance from your side?
No, I'm giving you no assurance.
Suppose
I've already
15
discussed
days.
with CEO sir and Chief Secretary sir. I don't think all of them are already aware of the issue. So they will clear some of the payments.
Some, not all.
Within, ma'am, it will take some time. And within 15 days, we'll clear your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
So, it's our request. If it is possible, sir, just talk with the CEO and the Chief Secretary that
having
clear
a
all
meeting
the
with them.
bills.
I'm having a meeting with them.
All the bills. Once only. Because
No, sir, we're not
15 days will wait, then some of the bills will
15
receive.
days, then again another bill. We
again.
won't accept that, sir.
No, it will be done as soon as possible. So now, please.
Let us clarify to the driver side. Katsan Sngi. Belum buat. Jajai cho karo Katsan Sngi ngin an. Lada hapo Katsan Sngi ngin yo ngin simpat da kawai karai. Nomor hanir kondoni sangi hati ban ap. Sangi hat ban ap. Katsan Sngi ngin an. Lada hapo Katsan Sngi ngin yo ngin simpat da kiwai pat pilak ngin yaki ikan. Karena dalam kebajajai ngin sale pat da kawai.
Đây cũng tao mình sẽ nula ông bà khát sang kia cũng Kat malah ada hadir kat sini udah pengen bentar.
Orang mau kita kebal clear ni kacing dawa cungi gadai ban kon clear lut ya kebil ka cungi. Ngin katsan sngi ngin ap. Nilai Asia katus ni, kengin Asia katsan sngi. Ladang imyo aku katsan sngi ngin sasim pak daki wei patilak sngi ki kampnya. Bat longit 19, bat independence, bat independence. Bala. Dia mana jing
Kalau ni ladangi apa yang taruh itu yang martisap dan bawa jadi kok ke dalam
so cepat ke jingtok dia orang untuk kamu tuslai gini media kita nane ka proof ka don untuk kamu ya karikan sebenarnya
Clear saya kita makan sini clear baru.
so kacang sini nak kalian ngejungking ingin buram ya katang tempat ya bi para bedang isutu gajingnya kacang sini gila orang tu ngin hati kata kacang sini in hati kata kacang sini dan kacang sini ini leh kan
Bisa jauh nak anak.
bisa They want in 15 days all the dues must be clear.
So within 15 days, we'll try to clear as much as possible.
Because they are not successful. If you said you will try, then
No, 15 days, we will give you some partially payment as much as possible. Remaining payments will take a little bit more time. See, I've already told you this
they are not happy.
the whole process that we followed us. The government process.
We already have enough time.
We have received assurance from CEO. Please humbly request you do not disturb the public office. People are coming here to get things wrong. So I have given you an assurance. I understand your problem, but I have given you assurance that within 15 days we will try to clear payment partially. After that, also we will clear. Everyone is in the room. Everyone knows. Everyone is aware of the issue. Okay, and they will clear your payments. I'm just asking you for 15 days. Within 15 days, this is my assurance. They will clear your payments partially. Remaining payment will be done immediately soon after that. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So now I appeal all of you, kindly do not disturb the office. It's a public office. 15 days of time I'm asking from you. Kindly, please, it's an humble appeal. People come to this office from a long, cover a lot of distance, spend a lot for their work to be done in the DC office. Because this is not the right way.
Just for 1 day, sir.
All
Just
of
for 1
them
day.
also they are coming from a really long.
Yes, I understand.
Just for 1 day.
Yeah, I understand. But this
They
is
have
what
lost just to stop our
Yes,
vehicles.
I
One
know.
day also it's
I know this, but I'm asking you for 15 days and clear your payments partially in 15 days. I have got this assurance from the CEO, sir, from Chief Secretary, sir. And this is what I'm trying to explain to you. The whole process of the funds and all that I have already explained it.
Okay, sir, then try from your side to clear all the bills.
All the bills, sir. Within 15 days,
The
clear all the
CEO
bills.
also,
Then you keep
they
quiet.
won't clear the bill, then they must take full responsibility if something will happen. Sir.
I'll be meeting them
Because we also want to say it clearly to fellow people. Let also they will know.
I'm having a meeting with both of them tomorrow itself. We discuss in detail. In 15 days, we'll clear some of the payment. Remaining payment will be done as soon as possible.
As soon that when will you know, sir?
Now, please, I request you, kindly
No,
let
we
the
will not
office
accept
function
that.
properly.
Okay, we will not accept that one. If you clear within 15 days, then only. Otherwise, some will get, some don't get, then for them, then you will be keep quiet again. Another 15 days,
15
one month.
days, if you clear the bill partially, also make sure that all the vehicles get all the vehicles. If one
I'll try to
vehicle
raise
will
about
get
other demands
another,
also.
they will not get, then they will create
I
an issue.
understand. I'll try to raise up
Make
your
sure
other
that
department also.
all the vehicles, according to the list of acquisition, all the vehicles get surrendered. The yang katsansi na ipuat, katsansi na.
Wahab silver or white? Wahab silver or
Katsansi.
white? Go with bill and election bill.
Saya PCR kajing tom nakam kini ki media ila danda. Kajing tom nakam ayo. Media la dan bikwa ika proof ki media kila. Ayo dah sibih kila. Kena ayo.
Sanski gaji tayo, aja bunsin ta, lasin sabsin
Dukan ayo.
chocolate tani kitim.
Em kata kajing apa kadi bentam daka kabakalian kan kajing min up katsan sini kamu bangin ya lu dekat pisan yang minum ya.
Nginyo ya kapisa.
Ya orang bayo yo clear katsan sini kamu apa yo.
Kata ngin up katsan sngi Lada hapo katsan singi ngimyo ingin sa simpak kan kiwe kilap singi ki. Ngila ya apa? Minta kasih daga jingso Sofia ke bajur nakaliang ke Joint Action Committee all riboy passengers vehicle minta kasih ngila sange ya kamai kaji baru ikali kejungi ngila yawan ban penpau ya kedak yang ke jing Sofia ke jungi angne pelau jong audisi kajingwan ke jungi bangi pep ya kamai kaji kalong halor ke jing bomyo ya ka bil ke jungi kata nadu ke bil COVID-19 kumjuru ke bil jong election MLA badang sudaction ke na kapor na kaliang ke JAC wilayawan bani kendu ya audisi banpan ne bandawa ya ke hok ke bangi dei banyo dan rei na kaliang audisi usu aipor panpor si panpor batu aipor bu tanggi jingkular dan rei haduk ini kisngi ngimyo ya kata ke bil ke badangsa dei halor kene da ke jing susi bata jing Sofia mentah kasngi selesai disin ngelawan lengba ke jing sange kali kamai jungi baro penwan ni kendu menyakran ya audisi namar kepor ke bau ai kalakut mentah kasngi nilayo menyakran bat audisi ba kadau ayu ba penslam ya kapisa ke badangsa bat balai klem burom ya kepor ke ba ngila ai nakaliang audisi ulayatu yangi ba kapisa kamsyong tang kabor ka jongu namar kapisa wahaban perlan CEO nate na po silong ngila keliru yo ya kadau mano ban bakli ane mano ba penslam ya kata kapisa mereka jubab ke bangi yo na kalong ba kadai na CEO na kaliang audisi ula ya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ban yatai alor kane ka benta ka bangi ki driver ngi ya kendu Tendau lah dep ya keren buat CEO, buat chief secretary, orang ba pun sapen like no, kloi kat bala ya kapisa ka badangsa. Karena kalian kejungi ngila dawa ya bangi muhun ya kapor ka ba, lane ya kata kejungi keren ka ba ai henrei udai ban ai yangi kapor ka ba tikna ba hadu kat nusngi kan simpor ya kata kapisa ban penlai. Jadi halor kajing pemuhun kejungi ane kajing yai dawa kajungi na kaliang audisi ulai por biang mentah kasngi nadu kane kasngi adu khatsan sngi ba on penlai lut ya kapisa kata kapisa kabil COVID-19 menjuru kabil jongu election snap arajar arplai ya na kaliang kajungi nila menjur ya kata kapor ka bau ai khatsan sngi bat ngin ap sitom ku mangila yai ap baru si kata ngin ap sitom sa khatsan sngi bat niru na kaliang kajungi ngila krensai balada hapo katsan sngi samenta ka kenti umperlai ka gamut ka JAC kan sasim da ka senjam ka bakham tenge bat ngin putpana da kilat jingyaki ki bakham tenge bat ngila kren lu ada ngin ya ka jingyaki ka batenge ka jingba khali hapsim hi ka district administration na kaliang ka jungi ngin omsim ka jingba khali dan rei ka district administration ka hap bansim ka jingba khali wei try kali ka syong ka kum ka duty kumba men hakiner ngila det yatu don ki kali ki bangat lai tayo don ki kali ki bangat si benai don ki kali ki bangat si lai sngi don ki basa lai po wajar don ki basa san po wajar don ki basa da kilang namar kabil ka bisa ba khambun ka dei jong COVID-19 namar kabil ang tu da kilak ngisa de kata ka ba bu yangi pedang ka jing e namar kum ki babu i kali kamai ngi hapan renew ya ki kwat kislagi jongi tengi kermen ba lata yo kabil manakane ban renew andre kabil ngim yo ngila susim da karam kasya nemban penim ikut kisla kali ke jungi te endang ila yo kabil ngin sasiu pat na kita gi beriu ki bangi simram andre ka jing penslam ban yo kabil kabu jing e yangi ngila cha da ram na kita gi beriu ki bala ai pisa yangi kata ke jing e bangi ya
dia kalian kinong yo bukan mo kantin hakani ka election idon ko makan arti eki kantin kibangi ai tembiang kabam gadi nagbantagi ba don di election dan rega basusi long bahado mata ngidang yo na pisatang san ko ajar aw na January rehadu mentangi klebyo ilawan bani kendu la arsin laisin ilawan lang tangi la ai ka jing toru aw na April SIDC hang taru ong ini aipor arteo tinggi laap dan rika melokam ke taru tinggi lawan biang Kilaan ai biang gajing thok sakui bat shau CEO, shau DC bat kuju sabaro di MLA jong kari boy, batin keren lem na kabantai jong ni namar, wapun mengi kinong bukan ni syak beram mo, kinong ai roson kiba ai do yang ni kiba ai kijung don kam jong ni kiba dapat bangin siu kabay nong tray unju, te Henry kata kijing ai jong ni kata kopi shau CEO ro tangin tip yo kupor ni kalau kuno kaya kuno di kata tena kayang sungi na kata daw mata kasmi ngitip kawan ke JC tena kayang sungi do pergi dong bukan tin dia wan ban ya support lah kita bentaban itu
Ano yun ra bisa ba beli video itu.
tapi sate yang ngentik kalau lala kejong hidukan no idon hidukan kiba koi santo tam don hidukan kiba koi arto lai ko don kiba koi di ko don koi di kat kita lala kejong no
Kedua lang kung ka por bag ay lang na nag-JC ni video lang ka jong kata time frame.
Tengi la kali mede di sini ong ba ai por kan sini tengi hap yang kata kan sini yang kata kan sini yang kata kam siso tengi ban seba banyi tengi na join lang bagan ni agency bangin perpal di jinaki nak bata bikin dawai ni ka kok jeng